My name is Pat Rusch. I'm the General Manager of Manufacturing for Rockline Industries in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Our plant in Sheboygan, it makes wet wipes, cleaning wipes, primarily for disinfecting hard surfaces. Our plant in Sheboygan employs about 850. 24/7 operation brings a lot of challenges to keep engagement amongst all the employees. It's also a tremendous challenge to keep all of the leaders that have responsibility for keeping the people productive and engaged in alignment with the overall key performance indicators, with our overall plant vision, with overall corporate mission. Having a good ecosystem that is easy to follow, is effective to follow, and it keeps your leaders engaged with where you want to take the plant is necessary in order to be successful and to make it a place where people want to not just come, but also stay. When we brought Visuant in and we learned more about how the skill work and process-based leadership, it brought a whole different look at how we were connecting our leadership. And quite frankly, we found a lot of gaps in how we were executing leadership. And we changed a lot of our methodology. And then we also realized that Visuant not only brought this software that could bring all these scorecards together and create connectivity, it brought a system by which we could take all these various disconnected approaches and create one overarching ecosystem that got our leaders working in one direction. Our scorecards are standardized in terms of how we measure safety, how we measure our quality, our cost and productivity, and then our employee morale. We've seen significant improvements in our productivity. We've got world-class results in safety. We've seen our turnover rates almost cut in half. That's literally over $400,000 of recruitment expenses and training expenses and replacement expenses that we no longer incur because we're able to retain our workforce. The Visuant system really allowed us, a collective group of leaders, to stay focused on what we need to do well, what's driving our business, and how we need to execute our leadership model so we can stay engaged on servicing our customers and driving continuous improvement in our plant.